Hey, welcome to Scooter's Home Garage. Here working on the 2011 Dodge Ram 1500, and if you look at the lights, one of them's out. So the driver's side, I guess you call it a fog light or a driving light, I guess it could be either, is out. I've had the truck for 10 years, never changed either of the driving lights slash fog lights, so the fact that one of them's out makes perfect sense. And we'll take care of both of them in one fell swoop. So we are going to change the lights with these Philips standards 9145s, and got them from Rock Auto, super cheap. So you can see I tilted the wheel a bit just to give us a little more room, hopefully to get our hands in there and access where we need to go. All right, to get to those lights, we need to go behind the driver's side front wheel. And we're going to go into this panel that's back here so that we can find the back of the light so we can pop it out and put the new one in. So I'm just going to pop these bad boys out, and then I have a package of replacements we can throw in there. Okay, so we're going to take this little guy out. It is an 8mm, so we'll back that out for us here. Put that to the side, and now that should allow us to get some access to this panel. Okay, so we back that out, which gives us access to the back here, and if you look, you can see exactly what we need to spin out. It's just that's simple to get to. Okay, so you see the fitting we need to get out here, and all you have to do is peel this tab back a little bit with your finger and pull down, and it'll pop right off. So now you're just left with the light bulb that we need to get out. Okay, to get that light bulb out, all you need to do is spin it to the right, and then it should pop right out. And that's our blown light bulb that we're going to replace. Okay, so here's the new bulb. I have some rubber gloves on now. All right, so here's the new bulb. We're going to stick it in until it goes into the grooves, and then just twist it down. Right there. And then all we need to do is take the electrical connector, push it up, and it is good and on. And now we just have to reaffix the panel, and we're good to go. Since I messed up the clip that I pulled out, I actually messed up two of them. I went to my handy dandy box of clips that I bought for the Prius. I think this was like, I don't even remember, 14 bucks maybe. And it's been really helpful because I often break clips when I take them out. So it's good to have this. And what I went with, just so you can see, this is the one I messed up, and this is the one I'm putting in. It's not exactly the same size, but I think it's going to work, so we're going to give it a shot. If it doesn't work, I got more to choose from. Next up, we need to get this panel back underneath the lip here. So we're gonna start working on doing that. There we go, so everything's lined up. So let's start with the actual screw with the 8mm head. That looks pretty lined up there. I'll just quickly get that. And that's in there good. Okay, I got the first one back in there. Now I gotta work on getting the second one in. Gotta get it lined up just right. All right. Put the little screw in. All right, that's going nowhere now. Good as new.